Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. E to the power of s multiplied by 1 over s and 1 over s to the power of 2. Now, I will concentrate about this integration only. So, we need to use about integration by parts. So, I need to put about u equals to e to the power of s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have e to the power of s ds. dv we have ds over s to the power of 2. Later that we do the integration for the both sides. And we got about v equals to negative 1 over s. So, we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, but we have the negative sign here. So negative with negative, you got about positive. And we have the integration e to the power of s over s ds. Now we go back in here. So we have this integration. We put in here. Because we have the negative sign, negative with negative in here, you got about positive. And negative with positive, you got about negative. So we need to minus 2 integrations in here. And we got the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.